Our kindergarten was always inclined towards sustainability, but the idea of using reusable nappies came from Ecologists Without Borders in 2014 in collaboration with our municipality and also a waste disposal facility in Vrhnika. They did a survey among parents, and I think that more than 70% of parents were inclined towards the idea. And there was also a survey between our teachers and other staff, and they also recognized this practice as something good. Some of their concerns was that this was costly, the project, and that the diaper is going to be harmful to the children's skin, and also that the process of applying the reusable nappy to the child is going to be time-consuming. And I think some of these were the main concerns of the teachers also. When a little time passed, when they already started using the nappies, the concerns were mostly gone. They say that the time that using reusable nappies is more time-consuming, but they use this extra time to bond with the child. And they also discovered that children developed less diaper rash. They didn't have to use that many creams and other substances. And also they noticed that children are getting used to the toilet sooner than with disposable diapers because they feel the wetness. So yeah, I think nowadays that probably 90% of the teachers support the idea of reusable diapers. The financial benefit is quite large. We save 25,000 disposable diapers every year. We also save around 5,000 euros for the cost of disposable diapers. Before the reusable diapers, we spend around 15,000 euros for disposable diapers every year. The initial cost of the washable diapers was around 16,000 euros, and on yearly average we save around 5,000 euros. We also save around 50% of the cost of waste disposal of the mixed waste, so we save quite a few tons of waste quantity each year. The costs are significantly lower than before. Yeah, we implemented quite a few of other sustainable practices. As you can see around here, we have an eco garden. You can see our pond where children can observe the life cycles of animals and plants. We have eco garden where we produce our own food. Also do some composting. We have a compost in every unit where we dispose food scraps from the snacks, and we also dispose like weeds and stuff that we produce in the garden. We compost animal scraps from the chickens, and also some of the materials we use for play and art. We have 2 chickens that children take care of, so we get local and organic eggs each day. Then we do a lot of outdoor play. This is the way to cut down some of the energy and material costs. So we try to be outdoors every day. We play with waste and natural materials a lot. We also make art from that. We use a lot of packaging, for example, and we also encourage parents and local companies to donate some of the materials we can use in our daily routine. When it comes to food, we try to include as much organic foods in the menu as we can. Also, we like to buy foods with the local suppliers. We don't order single packaging foods like yogurts and ice creams and puddings, but we order food in large containers. and we divide the portions between the children. Children only drink tap water. They bring their own water bottles from home, so there is no waste there. And we also have a special team that that monitors the foods the children like to eat and how much food is wasted each day. So we try to cut down food waste in that way. A team of teachers and kitchen staff also monitors when we introduce new foods that the quantities are low, so there is not a lot of food waste. We don't use any fabric softeners, and also in the laundry room, as you can see, the dosing of the washing liquids and stuff is automatic. So this is one of the new practices we do. We started it, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. Each newly enrolled child gets a reusable bag for wet clothing. It is produced by our local waste disposal facility. So this is something that stays with the child for all the years that is in the kindergarten. It's made from old airbags. We don't use any plastic bags in the kindergarten, not for wet clothing, not for food or anything else. So in this way we cut down plastic bags in quite large quantity. We get quite a lot of media coverage because of our sustainability practices. When we started using reusable diapers, there was a lot of coverage from national and local media, and we also got some coverage because of the chickens, because we were the first public kindergarten to have chickens in the school grounds. And we also host a lot of other kindergartens that hear about our practices and they want to improve their practices. And we're always happy to host them. We show them around, we do some presentations, they can observe what we do with the children. So yeah, we like to share our good ideas, and we also like to learn from there if they have anything to show us. So yeah, we try to spread the word around because we're really happy that that it's possible that we do everything here, that we have a support from the school government and from our co-workers. So yeah, we like to share the good ideas.